Good people, my name is S.K. and I welcome you once again to S.K.M Media Survey. If you can see behind me, today is Fugu Festival. Fugu Festival, and today I am also here to witness what is going to happen over here, to bring to you all the activity that will happen over here. When we talk of Fugu, a lot of people have been hearing Fugu, but people don't normally know the history behind Fugu. Fugu is a name a general name that a lot of people know, but it has other name we call batakari, the smoke, batakari or the smoke. And this smoke, you can find it in 3 places in Ghana here: the northern region of Ghana, and the Volta region of Ghana, and Ashanti region of Ghana. So most of the smoke or the Fugu that we know is being migrated or originated from the northern part of Ghana, which the people that brought it were from Burkina Faso. They are the one who brought it to Ghana here. Normally, or those days, the people who normally wear the Fugu or the smoke are chiefs, kings, warriors. They are the people that wear the smoke. And when these people come out, they are being respected in their community. But now it has become a fashion thing for everybody, for us to wear. And today being a special day as Fugu Festival, we are going to witness what is going to happen over here. Do you know that those days the warriors, which we call them the army, they are the ones that normally wear the Fugu, and they have other protection things that they put in the Fugu. When you shoot them, the bullet cannot penetrate into the body. That is the power that God has given to our ancestors. Our ancestors that we call them, or we say that they are the ones worshiping idol and other things. Now the white man said that don't use that charm, but rather get bulletproof. When they shoot you and the bullet penetrate, go to hospital for them to remove the bullet for you. These are some of the knowledge or the idea that our ancestors brought to us. When the white man came, the white man abolished all these things and asked us to go in their way or do things in their way. What do you also think about that? Is it time for Africans to go back to go and take what belongs to them? Now in Ghana here, there are a lot of things that when you start doing and people start looking at you in other way, people say, this person is a fetish priest, this person is juju man, juju woman, and all that. To the extent that when we are using our local pot that we used to drink those days, where we fetch water inside and drink, is healthy and also medicinal. Nowadays, when you are using those things in your house, then people will start calling the Holy Spirit, Holy Ghost, and all that. So what do you also think about that? In case you are new here, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to S.K.M Media Survey for more content. I told you earlier on that when it comes to Fugu or smoke or batakari, we Ghanaians, we know batakari and Fugu, but we don't know the history behind it. So I'm asking this woman, she's selling batakari or Fugu or smoke, and I think the smoke sellers have to know the history behind Fugu. Madam, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
I know you are selling the smoke, so you know the history behind the smoke. So you have to tell us something short about the smoke or the Fugu before we continue.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. When you talk about smoke or Fugu, it's a traditional wear from the northern region. Both all the 3 northern regions, Savannah, Upper East, Upper West, Northern, they are all one. So Fugu is naturally a traditional wear from the north. When you wear, it signifies where you are coming from. And also with the hat, it depends on, you can't just put on the hat anyhow, anywhere. You have a way of putting it, because if you don't know how to put it well, okay, and then you put it and you go out there, you meet someone from the royal family or a king or someone, it's going to say special, you might be fined.
Okay.
Yes, so fugu is very important, and I wish that we all patronize our own. Since it's the pride of the northern region, let's all come together and promote the northern region and promote fugu as well.
That means, if I may understand well, those days not everybody is allowed to wear the fugu.
Yes, okay. Yes, exactly. Those days, in the olden days, when we both of us were not there, but you cannot just get up and wear fugu. It was for the royal family or for the chiefs.
Okay.
But right now, as we are growing and we are going into intermarriages and things, now everybody can wear fugu. Just the hat that you can't put it anyhow. And depending that one too, if you are, let's say you are a stranger, you don't know, that one is fair enough. But if you know, for me, for instance, I grew up in the northern region.
Okay.
Yes, I schooled there. I'm Ashanti, but I schooled there. I speak Dagbani and write Dagbani. So I know the right thing to do. So if I don't do it right, then I'll be in trouble.
So can you teach us how the hat, is it the hat?
Yes.
The hat, where that's the hat supposed to be, when you go right, when you go left, when you come forward, when you go back, or when you remove it and you are waving it in the air, what does it mean? Or that one you don't know?
Okay, this one, when I see, you can't just...
But do you have, in the hat, do you have some here?
I have a lot of hats. All the dresses come with a hat.
Okay.
But the issue is,
so who is going to wear?
I don't know how to...
Oh, okay, you don't know the
wrong way.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know the wrong way, but I know the right way also.
So the right way.
So you...
Hey, my head is bigger than the hat. Okay, let's take it like this.
Okay, then you can do something like this.
Okay.
This is acceptable.
Okay, so this one is right.
Yes.
Okay.
So you can wear it, but all the same, you can bring it to the right, but different style.
Okay.
So it doesn't really.
So this one, as a stranger, when I wear it like this, people know I'm a stranger or I have problem with anybody.
No. Okay. For instance, you wear your smock, you put on your hat, and then you are moving around in town. It's free, but going to the
chief palace
or going to meet an elderly person who knows let's say tradition, yes, it's either someone will prompt you that, oh, excuse me, the way you've put your hat is not the right, because you are going to meet someone who is higher than you, so you have to bring your hat down. Just like when you go to the Ashanti and they put kente, when you are going to meet the chief, you lower it.
Okay.
So all of us, we have a way we approach our elders and our chiefs. So I plead that those who don't know, let's go home and learn.
We said everything is juju. It's time for us to change that mindset.
That mindset is not, because people think when you wear smoke there is something inside.
Yes.
There is nothing inside. There is nothing inside. We have occasions they do, let's say festival, and it's everywhere. When any tribe have a festival, the chiefs, they have things that they do.
Sure.
Yes, but ordinary days, fugu is not meant for juju or for anything. So please, let's take that perception out, and then let's patronize our own and lift the pride of the North high.
Okay. So the fugu, I can say we have two types. We have one that has no hand, and we have one that has a hand. What is the difference between these two?
It doesn't really have much difference.
Okay.
The difference is, when you are going to meet an elderly, you are going to important place, you are going to meet the chiefs, it's good you put on something decent.
Okay.
Yes, aside that, there is no difference, just a preference.
Okay. Now you saying that, come closer, you saying that we should patronize our own. We Ghanaians, we are complaining because we want to wear our Africa traditional, our Ghanaian wear. But sometimes, let's say you go to market, you buy material like 100 cedis. The seamstress or the tailor who is sewing the things for you will charge you like 500 cedis. And you bought the material for 100 cedis. Because of that, Ghanaians are not able to, sew our traditional wear and wear it's nice on them. But what are you guys also doing about that?
Okay, this is individual thing. Yes, we can't just decide that all seamstress, all tailors should charge this amount. But I believe that if they have organization, they have association like the tailor association, they can sit with their members and let them know, people want to really patronize this, and the more the demand goes high, that is when people will like. But when this thing is demand is high, sometimes we really wish to wear the African print or African way, but buying the material, going to the seamstress is a whole lot, like you said. So this we will plead to the associations. This one is association, that they should talk with them so that they can bring their price down. You said that is true. I have this tie-dye battery. I do them myself.
You did it yourself?
Yes. Wow. And then I sell a yard 45 cedis.
Look at 45.
Yes. So you buy 290 cedis, and then you go and sew it, and someone will take 150 cedis. So we will plead to them that we know that they are also doing something to make a living, but they should also consider so that our own will go on, instead of, because somebody will say, for me to buy a material 10 cedis, 100 cedis, go and sell 200 cedis or 150. I'll go to I'll go to Togo or Fos to go and buy something. I will get it 150 or 100 cedis. So we will plead to them that they should also do something about the prices for us. Yeah.
Where are you located? Because guys, this is this tie and dye.
Yes, this
tie and dye.
Tie-dye.
Okay, tie-dye.
Yes, it's really tie-dye and batik.
Okay, that means not tie and dye.
No, that's no
okay.
Tie-dye.
That is the correct pronunciation.
Yes, because we tie it and we dye.
Okay.
So tie-dye.
And we are mentioning it wrongly.
Yes.
Okay.
It's not tie and dye. It's tie-dye batik.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you need tie and dye, it's not like that.
Tie-dye.
Tie-dye. Okay. If you need tie-dye material or fabric, you can get it from
Gentle Wave Fabrics.
Gentle
Waves Fabrics. Yeah.
So they are the one that are sponsoring Ghanaians a lot of fugu or smoke in Ghana here. They are the most affordable. They have the affordable fugu or smoke in Ghana here. So you can check their number is on the screen. If you need fugu, the women's own, kids own, men's, anything, you can contact.
We have a kimono.
Hey, which one is the kimono? Okay.
Yeah, so you
come here. It's called what? Kimono.
It's called kimono.
Okay.
Yeah, so you.
Why kimono?
That's the name. It's just a fashion brand that they've decided to give. So you can wear something, maybe being short or long, then you put it on. Maybe you have some short sleeves. You don't want your shoulder to be shown. You can just put it on, and it's very easy and simple.
And when you wear this thing, people respect you more than show your back, and all those things.
Actually, yes. And I plead with the youth,
especially the ladies.
The
ladies,
even you, the guys too, they should please patronize the smoke, because all these TikTokers and things, it goes far, it goes beyond Ghana. And let's lift. Our presidents have really helped us to raise the smoke to the international level, so we should also try it
and you people to have increased the price, because the president is wearing and it's going global. The smoke sellers are raising the price. Ghana, you people will kill us.
Sometimes when demand is high, sometimes it's like this. So we will also talk to those who weave the fugu. I remember some years back, the short sleeve, I used to buy it in the northern region, 150, 200. I used to buy it like 100, and then I bring it here, I sell 150. Wow. And now, most of them, I did this ones, for instance, I ordered it there 500 cedis.
500.
500.
Wow.
So mine is just 100 cedis. And some people will talk and then you have to reduce it.
But it seems this one is very thick.
Yes.
So this one is the original one, right? Because this one is heavy and thick as well.
Yes, and I can say all is original. Sometimes depending on how you use the smoke. But the issue is some of them is especially from the savannah side. That one they have quality. It's a bit expensive. Yeah, but when you go to the other regions, though it's good, but less expensive. I think Watu have very nice smokes. Also as Bolgatanga, because most of my smokes is from Bolga. And
I'll be saying this thing when people at the diaspora, people travel abroad and they come at the airport, they put it around their neck. What is the name? What is the name?
It's called sash.
Sash.
Sash. Yes.
Okay.
Sash. So that's sash. We have welcome to Ghana. We have greetings from Ghana. Happy birthday. Depending on Obake. Obake is the Ghana saying Akwaba, yeah. And then we have Akwaba. We have Amaraba from the northern region.
Amaraba is meant for welcome.
Welcome.
Oh, okay.
That's where I grew up in the northern region, Tamale precisely. So
you understand the language.
Understand the language very well.
Send message to those that are watching. You will promote your things over here in English. Then you transfer to Bani.
Okay. Lovely people, family and friends. We thank you all for patronizing
S.K.M.
Media Service. They are really doing a good job because coming all the way here to also help us promote our business. We so appreciate them. We say thank you from my heart. And also please feel free. Don't think that smokes is expensive and that. Feel free, even if you don't have money, walk in, do window shopping, find out how much it's going for, and it's fine. It's good to sometimes go out and do window shopping. There is no harm in that. For watching and following us, thank you.
And the northern language also.
Hello, Manuma, Banuma, Zonuma, Tuzobi, Desba, Puya Pam. Nizungo timal buntiti yuko shetinye nitigba kwati this one
smoke.
Yeah, to smoke man dem pass your polma dem solo the two nitigba za yisizane promote tigba dene timal shelum bongoma. It's high time katiza yina sambane and katis to kwati melvin shama kanirza bang ni yes. Northern region to Bamala, Bunzelle, Mpaya Pam, Nanan Songtiza. Bye bye.
Bye bye. So, if you say bye bye, how will you say it in Northern?
It's also bye bye.
Bye bye. Oh, okay.
Bye
bye. We will see you later. How did they say? See you later.
Okay. Like Empire.
Empire. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.